aquarium plants found in Jamaica. Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to this channel. Now you might think because Jamaica is located in the tropics and it's a developing country that persons are not too into aquarium plants. They are. And surprisingly, there are several array of aquarium plants that is available at the different pet shops that exist in Shore, Jamaica. These pet shops included Next to Nature, Super Plants and Pets, and of course Hobby Hut. Now there are several floating plants that are within this particular space in which I'm looking at. I won't mention the name of the space, but I can say for sure the manager of the store is not sure as to the name of the plant, so I had to actually do some little research so as to find the name of some of these plants. Alright, so I'll try as best as possible to name them accordingly. Alright, so here these are some jungle valves. Right, yeah, the normal known as jungle valves, right? And in addition to the jungle valves, you have Java ferns like what you're looking at right now, and it's a mixture of Java fern and red crypt, right? That's red crypt plants. It kind of looks like Java fern, but it's a little bit different in that, as it says, red crypt, it is red, right? Also in this aquarium, I'm not sure if you can actually see these at the back, but they are it's, I think it's green pennywort, right? And it's between green pennywort and Monte Carlo, right? Aquarium plants, right? Now I discovered after looking at some of these plants, trying to discover what the names were, and that you have several different categories of hornworts, right? Hornworts, just like Elodia densa, come in different type. For example, you would have stone hornwort. They don't have any right here, but they have jungle valve, Java fern. I think it's Monte Carlo, between Monte Carlo and Pennywort, right? Within this space. Now you might be saying that the plants are planted in cups or in containers. One of the reasons for this is that it is easier to be sold this way, and so the new owner, or whenever persons do come in to purchase aquarium plants, they would actually just take out the container with the plants in it and sell it to them. Now if I was like purchasing aquarium plants from this pet store, I would try my very best not to remove the plants from the container. I would try to bury most of the container within the substrate. I use some rock work, right? There are some plants that I'm not 100% sure what their names are. For example, this one that you're looking at, right? I am not 100% sure. But coming back to the whole aesthetics of the aquarium using the plants and the container, one of the reasons why you would use a container within your aquarium is that the container kind of limit the, and that's if you want to escape the whole idea of having a lot of work on the aquarium. The container kind of restrict the growth of the plant, right? So therefore, like for example, you planting Elodia densa within a small cup and placing it within your aquarium, based on my research, which I've actually shared with you. Yeah, this is a type of Elodia densa. You know, as I said before, you have different types, right? It kind of grow a little slow whenever it's in a container itself, that rather than when it is actually planted within the substrate. When it's planted in the substrate, it or when it's floating, it tends to grow a little bit more faster, right? Now, Java firms, jungle valve, Elodia densa, Moneywort, Hornwort. These are, oh yeah, and red crypt. I think there are some amount of red crypts. Some, I think this is one of the red crypt. I think so. Yeah. These are Java firms. Um, these are popular aquarium plants. They are popular, but they are not cheap. I mean, like one of these plants within the cup will cost like $1,500 Jamaican. That works out to be roughly about 10 or 12 US dollars, right? Although the fish exists within the space, but not, you notice that not all fish. I don't know what kind of plant this is now. Probably you could share it with me. Just tell me um the the, 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 the time stamp of the plant, and I would be greatly appreciated. I am not a plant person, right? But I am doing this video for persons in Jamaica who are actually a little bit interested, more than probably I am, in aquarium plants within their aquarium space, right? I am familiar with a few, but not all, right? Not even the store manager know some of the names of these plants. Now, if you look to the back of this aquarium where the discus are, you'll see some plants actually going up in the air. They are planted. Now, guys, these are another. I think I'm not 100% sure, but looking at it right now, it looks like stone hornwort, but I'm not sure. But this is a form of, or should I say, a type of hornwort that exists within the store. And I did not know that you had variety of hornwort until I started to do this video, right? These discus really looks cute. They are going for, I think it's 35,000 Jamaican dollars for one, which works out to be roughly about, it's a little less, it's about 195 US dollars for one, right? Probably some persons will say it's a good price, but that's a lot of money, right? So here you have some this look like Elodia densa, right, with some tiger barbs and some other fish swimming in it. But not all fish does well with all plants, right? So you have to match the plant with the fish, or else you might end up spending a lot of money, trying to get that aquarium looking good, because the fish will actually consume the plant. So you have to be very, very careful with that. And thank you for joining this video. I appreciate it. Do come back again and leave your comments below. Peace out. Catch you next time. Bye bye.